Can I reset my ADT alarm system when it is showing a fault?
Hello everyone, in today's tutorial, we'll learn how to reset an ADT alarm system when it's showing a fault. ADT is a well-known brand in home security, but like any technology, it can sometimes encounter errors or faults. Don't worry, though. Most of the time, you can solve these problems at home.
What does a fault mean on my ADT alarm system?
A fault in your ADT alarm system indicates that something isn't working as expected. This could be due to a variety of reasons, such as a door or window sensor being left open, a low battery in a wireless component, or a more serious system issue.
How do I identify the type of fault?
Before resetting your ADT system, you'll need to identify the type of fault it's showing. You can do this by checking the alarm panel display, which will provide a code or description of the fault. For instance, fault 03, living room window, would mean that there's a fault with the sensor on the living room window.
Addressing specific faults.
Once you know what the fault is, you can take action. If the issue is a door or window being left open, for example, make sure to close all doors and windows properly. If it's a low battery fault, replace the batteries in the affected sensor.
How to reset the ADT alarm system.
Here's a general guide on how to reset your ADT alarm system. 1. Enter your master code on the keypad. 2. Press the off button twice. This should reset your system and clear any minor faults. If the fault still shows up, it may indicate a more serious issue, in which case you should contact ADT customer service for further assistance. That wraps up our guide on how to reset your ADT alarm system when it's showing a fault. Remember, it's crucial to identify the fault first and then address it before resetting your system. If your system continues to display a fault after resetting, don't hesitate to reach out to ADT's customer service for help. We hope you found this video useful, and thanks for watching.